Good afternoon, everyone. Before I proceed, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our school director and principal, Mrs. Norma M. Bacay, our school corporate secretary and treasurer, Atty. Madeline Bacay Tolentino, school assistant to the director and prefect of discipline, Mr. Milbert Aguirre, the ever-efficient faculty and staff, the supportive and loving parents and guardians, and my fellow students, the completers, batch 2024-2025, and grade 7 achievers, a pleasant afternoon. It is truly an honor to stand before you on such a meaningful occasion. Today, we gather not only to celebrate our achievements, but also to reflect on a theme that speaks to the very heart of our generation: Filipino youth for a stronger future of a new Philippines. These words may seem simple at first glance, but behind them lies a powerful message. Dr. Jose Rizal once said, "The youth is the hope of the fatherland." This timeless quote continues to resonate with us today, not just because it praises the youth, but also because it calls us to action. It reminds us that we hold the potential to build a nation that is stronger, wiser, and more compassionate than ever before. But what does it really mean to be the hope of the fatherland in today's world? It means using our voice to stand up for what is right. It means choosing honesty in a world full of shortcuts. It means valuing our education, not just for the grades, but also for the growth. It means caring, not just for ourselves, but also for others, our community, and our country. We live in a time of rapid change, where information moves fast, where problems grow more complex, and where the future feels more uncertain than ever. But amidst all this, one thing remains constant: the power of young people to spark change. Today's theme isn't just words on a program. It is a reflection of who we are and who we can become. So let us all take this message seriously. Let us dream boldly, act bravely, and lead with both mind and heart. Let us prove to everyone that we don't just hold the potential, but we are also full of purpose. Now, to finish off my speech, I want to quote a famous sportsman, Cristiano Ronaldo. "Talent without work is nothing." This is a powerful reminder that success doesn't come easily. It's our hard work and dedication that dictate the course of our journey to success. Thank you, congratulations, and may this day be filled with inspiration for us.
Thank you very much, Junior. I thank you there for that one. Welcome. This time we will be having the awarding of medals and certificate of completion to our grade 10 computers. We call on our corporate